Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to tackle a common issue that has been frustrating many NBA 2K24 players, the infamous 4b538e50 error code. This error basically prevents you from accessing the game's online features. But don't worry, I've got a step-by-step guide to help you fix it and get you back on the court. This video is just a blank screen, but it explains how to fix 4b538e50 error code when playing NBA 2K24. If you need to navigate to a specific fix for your platform like Steam, PS5, or Xbox, click on a timestamp in description of this video related to your platform. Okay, why does this error occur? The main reason for this error is pretty simple. Your game is not updated to the latest version. So the first thing you need to do is make sure you have the latest patch installed. Let's go through how to update NBA 2K24 on different platforms. For Xbox users, go to My Games and Apps menu, then click on Updates. Your Xbox should automatically start updating NBA 2K24 if an update is available. For PlayStation users, head over to your game library or find NBA 2K24 on your home screen. Look for the Check for Updates option and click on it. Install any updates that are available. For Nintendo Switch users, find the NBA 2K24 game icon on your home screen. Press the plus button on your console. Then choose Software Update via the internet and let the update install. For PC users, open up Steam. Navigate to the NBA 2K24 page. Choose Check for Updates from the main menu, and let the patch install. After the update finishes downloading, you should get a message asking you to return to the NBA 2K24 main menu. Once you do that, the 4b538e50 error should be gone, and you can start enjoying the game's online features. Alternative fixes. Now, if for some reason you're still experiencing this error after updating, there could be other issues. One common reason is that your MyPlayer account email needs verification. To verify your email, go to the NBA 2K website's sign-in page. Enter your MyPlayer account details. Just by logging in successfully, your account will automatically get verified. And there you have it. This should resolve the 4b538e50 error, allowing you to get back to shooting those three-pointers. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and consider subscribing for more troubleshooting tips and gaming tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you on the court.